Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to export a high quality image from Krita. First, make sure your canvas resolution is correct before exporting. Go to Image, Properties, and confirm your dimensions and DPI. For print, 300 DPI is standard, while for web, resolution in pixels matters more than DPI. Once your image is ready, go to File, then Export instead of Save As. Export lets you choose formats like PNG, JPEG, or TIFF, without affecting your working file. For the highest quality with no compression loss, choose PNG or TIFF. PNG is ideal for web and general use because it uses lossless compression. TIFF also supports lossless export and is commonly used for professional print workflows. If you export as JPEG, increase the quality slider to 90 to 100% to minimize compression artifacts. JPEG is lossy, so lowering the quality reduces image clarity. After selecting your format, click Save, review the Export Options window, confirm quality settings, and press OK. And that's how you export a high-quality image from Krita. Thanks for watching.